Field surveyors play a crucial role in various industries, including construction and infrastructure development. In Manesar, a rapidly growing city in Haryana, field surveyors are in high demand to ensure the accurate and efficient execution of projects. These professionals are responsible for collecting data, measurements, and other necessary information on-site, which is then used by architects and engineers to design and plan construction projects. With their expertise in land surveying techniques and the use of advanced equipment, field surveyors in Manesar contribute to the smooth progress of projects by providing accurate data that helps in decision-making. One prominent company that offers field surveying services in Manesar is SCON Design. As a leading provider of surveying solutions, SCON Design has a team of skilled and experienced surveyors who are well-versed in the latest techniques and technologies. They have a deep understanding of the local regulations and requirements, making them an ideal choice for projects in Manesar. SCON Design's field surveyors are equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, such as DGP devices and laser scanners, enabling them to capture precise measurements and create detailed surveys. The services provided by field surveyors in Manesar are not limited to just land surveying. They also perform topographic surveys, boundary surveys, and construction staking. Topographic surveys involve mapping the natural and man-made features of the land, which is essential for designing infrastructure projects like roads, bridges, and buildings. Boundary surveys help establish property lines and resolve any disputes related to land ownership. Construction staking involves marking the locations of proposed structures on the ground based on the design plans, ensuring accurate positioning during the construction phase. Many industries, like building and infrastructure development, rely heavily on field surveyors. Field surveyors are in high demand in Manesar, a city in Haryana that is quickly expanding, to ensure the precise and effective implementation of projects. To help architects and engineers plan and design building projects, these specialists are in charge of gathering data, measurements, and other relevant information on-site. Field surveyors in Manesar contribute to the efficient development of projects by giving precise data that aids in decision-making. They do this by utilizing their knowledge of land surveying methods and the usage of cutting-edge equipment. SCON Design is a well-known business that provides field surveying services in Manesar. As a top supplier of surveying solutions, SCON Design has a staff of knowledgeable surveyors who are proficient in the most recent methods and tools. They are the perfect choice for projects in Manesar because they have a thorough awareness of the regional laws and specifications. Modern tools like DGP units and laser scanners are available to SCON Design's field surveyors, enabling them to take accurate measurements and provide thorough surveys. Field surveyors in Manesar offer a variety of services in addition to land surveying.